Hi, it's Sarah from New Malaysian Kitchen. The last time I took you to eat prawn noodles and clam noodles. Today I'm going to take you to eat two types of laksa. It's Malaysian noodles with spice broth. So I really miss Penang food. I'm here to find the best Penang curry laksa and Asam Laksa in Kuala Lumpur that you probably have not heard of. This is the restaurant. The name is in Chinese. But stay till the end. I'll show you how to find this hidden gem. This restaurant in Kuala Lumpur specializes in Penang laksa. I really like the huge photo of the noodles on their wall. They even wrote down the names of the ingredients so you know what you're eating. Now it's time to order. Penang curry mee, Penang asam laksa, noodle lah. Laiban. Yeah. Malaysians normally specify what kind of noodles they want as well. Semua boleh ah. Mami, do you want the pork blood? Everything. And if you don't want a certain ingredient, you can always omit it. Satu otak-otak, satu lobak, kemudian lemon jelly. On top of noodles, we're also ordering other snacks. Thank you. This is their menu. The price is reasonable and the portion is generous. The Penang curry mee, it's only 7 ringgit for a small bowl, which is what we ordered. You can add another 1 ringgit for a bigger one. It's just 8 ringgit for so much stuff inside. I like that they make the noodles right outside here so I can see all the ingredients and how it's made. They're pouring fresh coconut milk into the curry laksa soup. Those things that are floating inside, they are fried bean curd. But I came here for Asam Laksa because this is my absolute favorite noodle. It's very different from curry laksa. It's fish-based without coconut milk and sourish. These are the ingredients for Asam Laksa: lettuce, onions, cucumber, pineapple, sardine. For curry laksa, they have prawns, they have fish cakes, they have cuttlefish, and 2 rather bloody ingredients: cockles and pork blood. This is pork skin. The curry laksa soup is constantly boiling on high fire and there's bean curd inside. Look at that. Thick curry broth. There are plenty of spices inside this soup like turmeric, chili, garlic, shallots and lemongrass. And lastly, these are the garnishes: torched ginger flower, chili, garlic oil, mint, sambal, that's shrimp paste, chicken curry, and this is where they cook their noodles. There are 3 types of noodles here: mee hoon rice noodles, yellow egg noodles, and light thicker rice noodles normally used in Asam Laksa. Can you believe the pink condiment used in both noodles is actually a flower? I have it right at the back. This is torched ginger flower or Bunga Kantan in Malay. Before it blooms, we use the bud as a spice and chop it into small pieces to garnish noodles and salad. Now it's your turn to let me know where you're from and the most popular noodle in your country. Tell me in the comment box below. I'm going to show you how they assemble the noodles. For my curry laksa, I order a mix of egg noodles and thin rice noodles we call mee hoon. Then he briefly cooks them in boiling water. It's time to put in all the ingredients: cockles, pork skin, chicken curry, the soup along with the tofu pork, which is fried bean curd, minyak, oil. Oh, to give it some color. Otherwise, it will be pale, she says. There's some chili oil to give it color. She also added a little bit of curry from the chicken curry. Kemudian letak apa? And the final garnish: chili paste, mint, and torched ginger flower. All our food has arrived. We'll also be eating some popular Penang snacks, so stay till the end to find out how they taste like.
You've been here, right, Mommy?
Yes. This is the second. It's very good.
We explain what's inside. There's kerang, cockles. What is that?
This is pig blood.
In Kuala Lumpur, our curry laksa is normally just with chicken, with the tofu pork, fried bean curd. Different. They have this blood. It's very rare to get it here in KL. I'm gonna try this. The small one.
It's like
I don't like
jelly.
nuts.
It's like jelly only.
Huh?
Like jelly.
But it's made of blood.
Agar-agar.
Agar-agar. If I don't think of it as blood, I think it's okay.
I teach curry laksa at my cooking class as well. In Kuala Lumpur, sometimes it's also served with yong tofu, which is fish paste stuffed in various vegetables.
Okay, it's time to eat. I've ordered Asam Laksa, hako, which is shrimp paste. Pour it over. So they give the whole fish. The portion is very generous. Onion, mint, torch ginger flour, vegetables, cucumber, and this is quite rare. I've never seen this. What they serve with this? This keropok. It's nice. Look at the fish. Half the fish. Yeah. That's a lot. Normally it's broken up, but yeah, they give you the whole piece. Whole fish. Yeah. Look at the amount. Super generous.
This is thicker rice noodles, is much smoother. Put some torch ginger flour, some fish, drench it in soup, and eat it. If you want to learn to make this noodle, I have the recipe in my blog newmalaysiankitchen.com. I'm gonna try some of the curry noodles.
Spicy, just nice.
Yeah, not too spicy. You're right. I like the amount of coconut milk also. Yeah, it's thick. It's rich, but not too much. Yeah, it's very balanced taste.
Big prawn.
It's still very big prawn. Fresh as well. Wow, I'm amazed. Prawns are quite expensive in Malaysia. So at hawker stores, it's normally very small or non-existent.
Try the Asam Laksa. I think it's sour to me.
Do you want more shrimp paste? So a tip for you, if it's too sour, you can always get extra shrimp paste. This is sweet and salty, so it will balance the flavor.
Mix it well and then try again. It's better.
My mom and I have different preference. I prefer it a little bit more sour.
You eat when your tongue crunchy. This is too soft already there.
And I'm finally eating this cracker. Honestly, I prefer it without.
Put it for too long. Yeah. It absorbs all the soup flavor quite nice.
On top of noodles, you can also order these snacks. That's lobak, 5-spice meat roll, their signature drink, a mix of Milo and coffee. And finally, otak-otak. I highly recommend this.
Otak-otak. It's spices mixed with fish paste and then steamed. In Johor, the southern part of Peninsula Malaysia, it's normally roasted, but in Penang, it's steamed. And it's wrapped in banana leaf.
This is one of Malaysia's healthiest snacks. There's a lot of spices inside like garlic, turmeric, wild bitter leaf, or daun kaduk in Malay.
Remember when my mom bought this bag for me, I finished it all on my own. Do you like it?
It's nice.
Oh hell.
Keong means fragrant in Cantonese.
Yeah. It's delicious.
I have an easy otak-otak recipe that you can make in only 30 minutes, so go check it out in my website.
How about this? Try this. Coba. This is pork rolled in bean curd, and that pork they flavor it with 5 spice powder, among other things. And you dip it chili. Not bad. The 5 spice powder is not too strong, and there's enough fats inside as well, so it's not dry. If you'd like us to bring you out more to eat all these hawker food, remember to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Give a thumbs up. What else? Subscribe. So you want to eat more? Yes. I'll eat more. How about at home? My mom is really enjoying it. Do you want to make? What do you think? Finish my bowl. It's so good. We have to take away plastic hide in the rakia street.
This restaurant is called Jia Li Mian Noodle House. The signboard is only in Chinese, but don't worry, I have all the information in the description box below. It's located at Pandan Jaya, which is only 10 minutes away from the city center. It's along this road on your left. Let me know what kind of food you like to eat next. I'll see you in my next video.